Hello everyone, welcome to EIST 6110-8110 Instructional Design Course Orientation video. Before I give you an overview of the course, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Aisha Sadaf. I'm an Associate Professor of Learning Design and Technology in the Department of Educational Leadership. I received my Master's in Computer Graphics Technology and PhD in Learning Design and Technology from Purdue University. My research is focused on promoting a learner-centered approach to instruction in varied learning environments. Particularly, I'm interested in studying online teaching and learning strategies, teacher technology education, emerging technologies, cognitive presence, and digital literacy. I'm very excited about teaching this course, and I really look forward to working with all of you this semester. So the course overview. This course has been designed to introduce you to the instructional design processes. So you'll learn about the instructional analysis, instructional design, and evaluation principles and practices. So through the course, you'll gain practical experience applying the theoretical understandings of instructional design principles and processes, such as goal and task analysis, learner context analysis, instructional strategies, selection and development of instructional materials, and formative and summative evaluations. So we have three primary goals in the course. First, you'll learn to apply systematic instructional design processes in the creation of instructional materials. Second, you will learn to determine the essential skills, dispositions, and knowledge base needed for a successful career in the field of instructional design. And third, you will compare and contrast instructional design models. This course is an asynchronous online course. That means that there are no synchronous or face-to-face meetings. This is a 15-week long course. I've designed each module so you will see 5 main components each week. These include objectives, reading and resources, e-lessons, discussions, and assignments. The first 3 components are the content that I'll share with you, and the last 2 are the activities that you will participate in. I will not have an assignment due each week, but there will be a discussion that you need to participate in. And discussions are very application oriented, so you will be spending more time on them in the course. Here's a quick look at the course schedule. Weeks run from Monday to Sundays. I've set up the course that your assignments are due by Sunday midnight. Here you can see the topics covered each week. You'll also be working on your main project, and I've chunked it so you can turn it in and get my feedback by the time you submit your final project at the end of the course. For week 1, getting started, I would like all of you to take time to get familiarized with the course and to go through module 1. Then I also need you to post your introductions and sign up to facilitate a discussion for one of the weeks. As I said, you will be working on your project in chunks with 6 different parts, starting from problem statement all the way to the evaluation. Be sure to keep up with the deadlines, because if you fall behind, it will be difficult for you to make the progress to the next checkpoint. There are other graded activities other than the main project. There is an introduction, which is for 10 points. There are 15 discussions that are for 10 points each, in total of 150 points. Then discussion, facilitation, and summary will be 10 points. And finally, your self-reflection on your own learning at the end of the course is for 10 points. Discussion, as I said, is the main course activity, since the course is entirely online and we don't have any face-to-face interaction. This course relies heavily on each student's ongoing participation in the discussions, and your discussions will be graded based on the discussion rubric, which looks at the quality, responsiveness, and moving the discussion forward. So be sure to review the discussion rubric posted on Canvas. Discussion was an introduction discussion. For discussion 2 to 10, I've decided to divide the class in 4 groups, since we have 40 students in class, so it'll be easier to discuss topics in smaller groups. You will also be signing up to facilitate one of the discussion of your choice of topic. You will facilitate and also summarize the discussion for that particular week. I have listed the responsibilities of the facilitators, and you will see that when you will sign up in week 1. You will be randomly assigned to one of the 4 groups, and I will make sure that there is a facilitator for each group based on the topics you are signed up for. There are many ID models, and most generic of being the ADDIE, which stands for Analysis, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation. ADDIE is more like a framework, and we will walk through that. And many of the models are based on ADDIE framework. In this class, we are using the book by Morrison, Ross, and Kemp. So we will look at their model in depth. As you can see, their model is also structured on the ADDIE framework. Some of their steps are for analysis, some are for design, and some are for the development, and finally the implementation. You can access your course from Canvas, canvas.uncc.edu, and once you log into the course, you will see the course homepage. This is a screenshot of the homepage I've set up. I have 8 menu links on the homepage. You will be able to see links to Getting Started module, course syllabus, course schedule, and course modules. Also, you can access discussion forums and learn more about myself and the assignment guidelines. There are different ways you can contact me. First, if you have general questions about the course, specifically about the due dates, assignments, course content, etc., then post it in the Ask the Peer, Ask the Instructor section. And that's located in and you can access that from the discussion section on Canvas. That way everyone can see the answers to the questions, and you don't have to repeat the same question over and over. Also, I would encourage other students to respond to the questions if they know the answer. This will avoid duplication of answers. And if there's something specific that like questions for your course grade or your project, then you should definitely email me. You can also call me if you want to meet me through Zoom. You should schedule a time to do that. I have my office hours every Monday and Tuesday from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. However, I know that many of you work during that time, so if there is a need, we can always schedule another time to talk. That is all about the course orientation. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions, need help. I'm really looking forward to working with all of you and seeing the growth in your learning within this course. I wish you all a very best, and let's have a great semester.